Hello world, Raven here. And welcome to my channel. Sa nakaila sa kuha. Hello. Sa wala pa, I'm a tech consultant, technopreneur, and an ex-Microsoft Bizspark software engineer. And currently, I'm doing my master's focusing on AI research. So, nganong naani nga channel? Simple. One, to share tutorials nga kanang makasunggo sa sugod pero lingaw og practical nga programming projects like face mask detection algorithm, social distancing violation detection, mobile and web frameworks, design patterns, algorithms, and so much more. Number 2, to share my thoughts on the industry, mga tips and tricks kumbaga, getting better income, making tech products, or even working as a freelancer. If you are a professional or even an aspiring software engineer, I am confident na there's something worthwhile na makuha diri from my personal experiences, whether success or failures, and from people that I have worked with. And I will share all of those things nga chill lang, dali sabton, and even binisaya. So kana lang, and as they all say, like and subscribe. And sa galito, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.